Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here today. This is day 2 of the Economic Ninjas 10-day challenge. And today I'm going to be showing how to perfectly cut a pomegranate the way everybody shows on the internet. So first off, we're going to cut the top. We're going to take a slice out of the top, making sure not to cut into any of the fruit. And where we see the white flesh, we're going to go ahead and score just the peel of the pomegranate, not scoring all the way through. And we're going to do that to each one of them until we come to the end. Then we'll open it up. All right, now that we cut through on all of the sections, well, we're going to go ahead and open up each section. And we're going to get a bowl, that way we don't make such a huge mess. And open it up each section. We're going to take off that white part that's in the middle. That's the easiest part to take off now that it's all cut open. And now they say it's easiest to, well, right here I'm just showing you each section that we cut up. You could open it like that and start eating them like I did here, or the way they say on the internet, you could grab a spatula or like a wooden spoon, so that we're hitting the peel of the pomegranate with the wooden spoon or spatula, whatever you find. And that's how each of the arrows from the pomegranate or its fruit will easily fall out of the fruit just by hitting on it with the spoon. And that's how you perfectly peel a pomegranate and take out all of its seeds. But of course, when I'm trying to do a video without having to edit much, the pomegranate does not want to cooperate. So it didn't come out the way I planned it, or the way it's supposed to either. But I'm still gonna keep at it and just gonna go ahead and take them out with my hand and just keep going. It might take a little longer and things might get a little messier and you might want to give up, but we're gonna keep at it. Keep going towards our goal, whatever it may be. And with perseverance, we will make it to the goal. So just know that just because you don't do something perfectly, there's still different ways to do it, of doing things, different ways of getting where you want to get to. There's not just one right way. There's different ways for different people. Some ways may take longer, but sometimes we need that time to learn different lessons and to be ready to enjoy the fruits of our labor. So if you're on your way to your goal, don't give up. Keep trying, and soon you'll get there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and consider subscribing, please. And leave me a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching.